Public, it's a nonprofit that teaches nature education and values nature connection. So we have a preschool, homeschool, after-school programs, and adult programs. And we're really all about reconnecting people to the natural world. So today we're at Shindagan Forest, and we're working with Friction Fire. It's the second day of our course. And students were learning about tool safety, so using knives and saws and hatchets, and shaping that wood to make their friction fire kits in a layered way, so that they're learning how to carve, they're learning tree identification, and they're learning how to make friction fire all in one.
I am using a carving knife, which I have never done before, and I already feel like I'm getting decent at, just this basic stuff. I've learned a bit more about tree identification, and I really wanted to do something for myself that was outside of the house, that wasn't necessarily work, and this opportunity presented itself, and here I am.
So that's a square knot. It's amazing how many people, I didn't know how to do that until somebody showed me how to do it, and it's just kind of a game changer.